you talk like Marlene Dietrich, and you dance like Zizi Jeanmaire, and your clothes are made by Noel, and there's diamonds and pearls in your hair, yes there are. And you live in a fancy apartment off the Boulevard of St. Michel, where you keep your Rolling Stones records and your friends from the Sacha Distel, yes you do. But when we go to my loving, when you're alone in your bed, won't you tell me the thoughts that surround you? I wanna look inside your head, yes I do. Well, I've seen all your qualifications that you got from the Sorbonne, and the paintings you stole from Picasso. Well, your loveliness goes on and on, so it does. When you go on your summer vacations, you go to the Juan-les-Pines, with your carefully designed topless swimsuit. It gets you in suntan on your back and on your leg. But where do you go to mind when you're alone in your bed? Won't you tell me the thoughts that surround you? I wanna look inside your head, yes I do.